welcome back to Deja Garage. I know it's been a long time since I posted one of these videos, and I'm sorry. It hasn't really been all that much happening here. But, since you guessed the title of this video, it is another episode of the Bought to Sell Volvo. Now I am standing in front of another Volvo. I just figured I wanted to drop by with a quick update on this thing before we go out, have a look at the white one. So if you remember this thing, this is the 305 horsepower burnout machine that was on a couple of videos last summer, but now we've actually started working on it. You can see we've done the same thing as we did on the white one, replaced the spare wheel well, and now we've applied the fiberglass Bondo on top of it just to get some of the sand back down to make it good. And we had a plan to fix the wheel arches on the back. You can see this one, real rusted, and we had to replace both of them because, well, they're too gone. Instead of buying new reproduction ones, since this car came with another set of fenders, we took the two worst ones and cut out the front wheel arch. Because you can see on the front, I don't know if you can see, I'll walk up here. You can see this one builds out a lot more. It's a bit wider. So, these things are kind of flat. So we decided to take the front one, cut it up and modify it so we could fit it on here. So it will end up widening the car a tiny little bit on the back. But it helps the body of this thing so much to just get a little wider rear fenders. Looks a lot better. Car still looks like shit, but it's gonna have to get a lot of rust repair on it. So, to the white Volvo, you can tell what that is. That is a taillight. It's missing one glass, and the socket for the bulb holder is a bit warped in there. I'm gonna have to fix this, but I got two taillights, so the other one is on the car. And my brother's Taunus is also back. It is going through its inspection and needs a couple of parts. So it's sitting here for the time being. And here it is, the white Volvo. One license plate light works. And, well, the indicator works here because that's where I put the one bulb holder I have. So that indicator works, which is a good thing. That means I've done everything right. Now I just need to fix the other taillight, put it in. From what I've understood here. Now, I'm not a big Volvo guy. I've said this many times. Of course, this is the turn signal, amber, duh. Backup light. Think that's a rear fog light. Driving light, brake light. Because from what I gather from what kind of bulb holder goes where, these four are 21 watt bulbs and these two are 5 watt. Which tells me that these two are driving lights, that one is a brake light, and, well, the rest is obvious. Turn signal, backup light, and I think that's a fog light. I only have one bulb working, and those, the other one was gone out, so I'm gonna have to replace that. And, well, you can see I've been working a little bit in here. Cardboard to guard the carpet against solder, because I've soldered a couple of pieces in here. You can see this one I thought was supposed to go with this one. That they'd just taken this wire off of the old taillight, but it hadn't. Turns out this one goes to ground and this one goes to ground. Because this one grounds the license plate lights. So I cut this thing off, soldered it to this one, tried the indicator, and the license plate light was blinking. So, of course, soldered the part back on that I cut off, then put an eye on this one, and just put it straight to the body. The other side, there is just the contact for the taillight itself, and of course, the old Adidas shoebox is still here to try to keep the snow out. It hasn't done all that good of a job, but it's just a couple of things I'm going to have to fix later. Now, I'm a bit confused because Of course, this side has all this plastic, but this one doesn't. So is there supposed to be some plastic on this side to, you know, make it look better? Or isn't it? I don't know. It's gonna have to be like this for the time being. And if we just walk around to the front here, the door is open. I think this thing is gonna have to need a jump start later to get this thing to fire up. It is getting warmer out. You can see that? It's just over 0 degrees. It's getting warmer. Summer is on its way. Now, I'll just turn the... I just turned the indicator on. There's not enough power to run the indicator. That sucks. Now, I did take the battery out of my Granada into this to make it start, because the battery was in it, just went flat. Yeah. Nothing. I'm gonna have to give this thing a jump. But the Volvo is getting closer. It is just as soon as I get the other taillight in, I can order an inspection for this thing and have it inspected, figure out what I'll have to do. I don't think it's gonna be that much. It has only ran 1,500 kilometers since the last inspection, so I'm thinking it's gonna be okay. I know one front shock is gone, but you know, it's been sitting a while. Some parts may break. That's what happens with old cars when they sit. But that is enough for this time. So thank you very much for watching. You can like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, we can go back to Teespring and check out the merch. There hasn't been any new ones, but if you have any ideas for new merch we can put on this channel, let me know that in the comments, and I will get right on it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you later.